Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Space Engine. So today we're going to be doing more ideas from what you guys want to see in this simulator. So yeah, we're going to get straight into it. But before we start, guys, just want to quickly mention a thanks to everyone as always for subscribing, leaving a like, just commenting in general, or just watching my videos. Just a huge thanks to you. It's absolutely amazing. I cannot thank you guys enough. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. It helps on the journey to 4,000 subscribers, because that would be amazing. But anyways, let's get into this. So right now we are at Earth and the Sun. Nice little shot there. So let's zoom out and let's see what we have to go to first today. So let's go to the comments right here and let's see what you guys have said. So right, okay. Well, I think someone said about Planet 9, so I'll go there first. I'm pretty sure it's not in the game, but we'll check anyway. So Planet 9 doesn't look like it. Planet, maybe capital. No, definitely not. It's definitely not in here. No, some people were asking it, so I thought might as well give it a try. But I wasn't assuming it to be here, so there is that. Okay, Luke, you should go to the Black Eye Galaxy. Okay, let's check it out. So I've never actually heard of this one. So Black Eye Galaxy. Okay, search that one up straight away. So let's go here. Okay, we are very far away from the Milky Way now. Okay, what we got here then? Ooh, that's looking cool. I don't think I've ever seen this. Is this near the Milky Way? Wow, that actually looks really cool. Is the Milky Way anywhere? Or are we just very far? Yeah, we are in deep space. So here is it. So let's see here. Okay, there's loads of stars near. These are all random generated though, I'm pretty sure. So here we go. Any black hole in the center? Can we actually go to it? Maybe? Can we? No, that doesn't do anything. If we try zooming in, maybe. Can we? Is there a black hole in the middle here? Oh god. This galaxy does look really cool though. So there's any black hole? Hello? Just stars. Okay, let's just look at stars. Yeah, it is quite hard to find a black hole in the centre of the galaxy, actually. But yeah, here is the Black Eye Galaxy. So, pretty cool looking galaxy, I have to say. So yeah, there is the Black Eye Galaxy. Ooh, what's that over there? Do you guys just see that? What's that? Is that the Milky Way and Andromeda? What are these here? Let's go and have a look at them while I'm here. Oh, whole universe. Easy place to get lost in. Okay, whoa, look at that thing. What is that? That's a galaxy? It looks a very strange shape, I have to say. What is this? Can I even select it? Okay, it's called Galaxy NGC 4656. Okay, then it's also got a spiral galaxy near it. So that's looking relatively similar to the Milky Way and Andromeda. But where is the Milky Way right now? Let's see if we can spot it. I don't think we will, but let's head back to the Milky Way. So the Milky Way is there. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty far away. Look, we've got to go all the way across here. We're travelling millions of light years, and there is the Milky Way again. So, there we are. Alright, so let's see where we're going next. So, what did you guys want to see? Okay, I believe someone wanted to go to Trace 2b, so we'll go there first as well. So, Trace 2b. So, Trace 2b. Okay, so I'm guessing it's this one. Okay, Kepler 1. Okay, so it's orbiting this star here. So this is Trace 2b, Scorched Gas Giant. Doesn't look very dark. Is this the right one? Kepler 1b, Trace 2b. I think this is it. Well, it is a gas giant, so this is the darkest planet ever. You'd think it would be black, and damn, that is close to the star. But yeah, there it is there. Let's check if we can check its information. No, wrong button. That button. Come on, you gonna work? Here it is. Scorched Gas Giant. Yeah, obviously it is quite close to its star. Anything else here? Did it say anything about the albedo? Where's the albedo? How much light this guy reflects? 0.0004% of light this reflects. So yeah, this is the correct planet. It barely reflects any light whatsoever. So yeah, there it is. It's a shame it's not like black with a bit of a red glow. But yeah, there is Trace 2b, the darkest planet ever discovered. So very nice. Okay, let's see what we got next. There's quite a lot of comments in the last video, I have to say, so I'm just trying to look through them all as well. Okay. Yeah, Trace 2b. Okay. Oh, and also the Chalawan system. Okay. Chalawan, I hope I'm saying that right. Let's see if we can find it. It says, if typing that in does not work, try 47. Okay, so we're going to try this. Someone also said IC 11101. That's the largest galaxy. Let's see if we can go there as well. Well, we already went there in the first episode, but I don't mind going back. Okay, so we need to check out this system here. So, okay, that's the name he also put. It's 47 Majerus. Okay, so I need to check out this system. So let's press O. Let's see if it's got... Okay, so it's got 3 planets. Okay, here we go. So let's see what's around here. Okay, so we've got a cold gas giant to begin with. So let's see this. Oh, God. I'm still getting used to the controls on this. So, oh, my God. Let me just hold... If you hold the G key, it locks on. So here's the first planet. Ooh, very nice looking indeed. That's a very interesting gas giant. I wish gas giants in Universe Sandbox were this detailed, because they are definitely one thing that I'd like to see improve. But yeah, there is the first planet. So looking pretty interesting colour. There's like a blue atmosphere to it, a blue glow, and it's like a creamy colour like Jupiter and Saturn. So we can get a real good look of it. There's the atmosphere there. Can we go? Oh, no, it's just... Oh, now we're inside the cloud, so it's all blue here. So that is pretty cool. Since it's a gas giant, I'm guessing this is like the liquid hydrogen ocean. Because if you didn't know, I think Jupiter has like a liquid hydrogen ocean. So I'm guessing that's what that blue zone is here. I'm assuming anyway, I could be wrong, but yeah, there is that. Okay, so that's the first planet. Let's see what we have got next. Any rocky planets? Okay, so this is another cold ice giant. Got some crazy names. I'm not even going to try saying them. So let's zoom in on here. Okay, so another very similar looking gas giant. It's got more of a white atmosphere this time around though. So there is that. Okay, yeah, the white atmosphere. Well, it's more dark coloured here. Let me go to the day zone. Oh no, this is a day zone. Okay, so it's not blue because the other planet had a blue ocean. I'm guessing maybe the atmosphere determines what colour it is below the clouds. Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, that is that planet. And then the next one and the last one. These were discovered in 2001. Okay. Okay, this is a frozen gas giant as well. Are they all the same? Let's see what we got here. Oh, now this one. Ooh, okay. It's got rings. It's blue. Oh, it's a bluish colour. Very, very... Oh, I like that. That looks cool. So there's a... Let's get it the right way up there. So... Oh, look at that. Wow, that does look pretty nice. So let's turn this all off. So it's basically a blue Saturn ripoff, I guess. That does look really cool. Those rings are huge as well. It's got a big ring system. Can we see the rings a little better from behind the star? Maybe. We try going here. If you've seen that picture of Saturn from behind, Saturn with the sun in front of it, you can see the rings stretch out a lot more because Saturn actually has a lot more rings than you may think it does. Because a lot of the rings we can't see from the front of Saturn. The only way to see the rings is going behind Saturn and looking from behind with the sun in front of Saturn. And you can see a lot more rings in the picture of Saturn, which is quite cool. Can we turn up the brightness here? Okay, there we go. Oh, and the same with this planet. You just saw those 2 rings. So just zoom in. So these 2 rings. Oh, God. But yeah, there was 2 rings there that weren't visible. But if we go in the starlight, they disappear. So yeah, Saturn has something like this because... Right now we've got the star in view. When you go behind the star, or when the star's not visible, you can see these extra rings which are not visible from the front side of the planet. So if we look here, the rings are definitely going to be less visible than they are from behind. So, pretty cool stuff there. And it's also got like a little like northern lights going on here as well. That's quite cool. So let's zoom out again. So very, very nice indeed. Look how bright the galaxy is right now. To turn those back to normal. Which button is it? Okay, it's just is it this one? Okay, I think that did it. Alright, 1.2. I don't know what all these buttons do yet, but yeah, there we go. There is that blue ice giant, or gas giant, sorry. That is a very nice planet indeed. So yeah, there is that. Okay, where are we going next? Okay, IC 1101, yeah, we'll do that. So largest galaxy ever discovered. We definitely went here in episode 1, I'm pretty sure. So IC 1101. I think this is yeah, if the Milky Way is about 200,000 light years across, but this thing, I believe, is 3 million? Something like that? So, 200,000 compared to 3 million light years. And this thing is huge. So, yeah, there it is there. Look at that. Yeah, it says, I don't actually know what MLY is. I know it must mean something light year. What does the M mean? Anyone know? So, there's that. Oh, a million light years, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's million light years. So yeah, like I said, 3 light years. So I got that right, actually. Cool. Alright, and yeah, there's not really anything to click on in here. It's just a galaxy. And the way this was formed, I believe, is if galaxies collide, they make something that looks like this. So this is a result of lots of galaxy collisions over the past millions and billions of years. And that ended up with this, which is quite cool. So yeah, there's the largest galaxy again. Okay, a lot of people said IC 1101, okay. There is that. Anything else? A lot of people said the largest galaxy. Yeah? That's pretty cool. Okay, visit Surtar. Yes, its name is Surtar. Okay. These objects are distant moons of Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Let's see if you can see the planet from the furthest moon. That's a good idea, actually. Okay. So, let's go to Surtar. I hope I'm saying that right. So, it's a moon of Saturn. So, it's the most distant moon. So, S-U-T-U-R. Wait, how do you spell this thing? God. S-U-R-T-U-R. Okay, so... S-U-R-T-U-R. Okay, so is it that? It's not capital letter, maybe? It says it's a dwarf moon. Okay, let's just go to it anyway. So go let's just go to this one. So go to just so we can get back to the Milky Way. So oh god, oh on the surface of it, cool. So yeah, there is that. So that's just an asteroid. Oh, if only asteroids in Euro sandbox look like that. So let's turn the orbits on. Zoom all the way out. Okay, so that's Saturn there. Okay, so yeah, that is the furthest moon. Okay, so let's just go. No, not Saturn. No, let's go this way though. Anyway, so yeah, we are at the correct moon. So let's zoom in. Yeah, come on, game, take your time. Come on, let's go. Saturn only has 31 moons. I'm pretty sure that's not correct. I'm pretty sure it has more than that. So wow, this thing is really far away. So oh no, zoom out, game. Come on, seriously. Oh god, wow, that was... Okay, so now we're at the Milky Way again. Let me just go to this again, dwarf moon. So this is the closest thing to the one I can find. So this thing here. So see if you can spot Saturn from the furthest moon. Because we saw from the orbits, this is the furthest moon. Like, we'll do it again just to check. But yeah, there it is there. There's its orbit. Saturn's in the middle there, and there's nothing else. The next thing along is Uranus and Jupiter. So... Oh god, no, okay. Let's lock onto it again and zoom in. So frozen asteroid. So Saturn... So XX, that's Saturn 23, I believe. So here it is here. So we're actually it's pretty cool how this has a surface. So where is Saturn? Okay, it's over there. So if we turn the orbits off, yeah, you can see Saturn. You can see it right there. You can see the good thing about Saturn is you can spot the rings. Oh wow, this surface is cool. But yeah, you can spot the rings from Saturn. So let's find the sun again. Oh, this is cool. So I haven't actually landed on an asteroid yet, so it's even cool that these guys have their own little textures and stuff as well. So, okay, so there's the sun, and Saturn is there. So you can see the Saturn just because of its rings. Its rings really help out. So, yeah, here it is there. This little asteroid on the very edge of Saturn there. So, yeah, there we go. There is that. I can't pronounce that, but whatever that says. Okay, so the next object is Ferdinand's. I think that is what you say. So... Okay, so this is a moon of Uranus. Okay, so let's go to Uranus and let's see if we can find it. So, Uranus. Okay, so let's turn that on, the orbits again. So, Uranus is the next object out. So, Uranus is there. Okay, so let's lock onto you. And let's see if we can find the furthest moon. Okay, so here's Uranus. Now, I believe from episode 1 as well, I said, why aren't the rings very visible? Well, I believe if we turn this setting up, we should see the rings, I'm hoping. No. Okay. Interesting, because we all know, or you all should know, that Uranus should have rings on it. Should have a faint ring system. But nothing. Okay, very, very weird that. I thought the rings would appear, but apparently not. So Uranus has no rings in this game, and it should be a little more blue, if you ask me. Not too much more blue, but a little more blue. So yeah, there's Uranus. Okay, so the furthest moon out that we can see in Space Engine is this moon here. So Oberon. Okay, yeah, they are definitely missing a lot of moons, because this is one of the major moons of Uranus, and the one in the comment here is definitely not a major moon. So, kind of sucks that they're not in the game. They need to add all those in, but yeah, nothing. That's it. So Oberon's the furthest we can go from Uranus in the Uranus system. But yeah, we're clearly going to see Uranus from this. Like, there's no way we're not. So it is not very detailed, I have to say, because this is obviously the real. This is a picture of the real thing. So. Yeah, it's not even we can't even really land on it. Okay, this is a very undetailed one, but yeah, there's Uranus, so you can clearly spot that, no problem. So there's a shot of it there, but yeah, Uranus, not really too exciting, I have to say. You probably, out of all the moon systems in the solar system, I probably have to say Uranus probably is the most boring out of all the moon systems. But one thing that is very interesting, going off topic here, Miranda. This is probably the most interesting moon around Uranus by miles, because it looks like a puzzle that was destroyed and then put back together. Just look at the way this looks. So if we hit play, wait for it to rotate, is if it's going to rotate. Can we get this side? Come on. Okay, actually what we'll do is we'll turn up the brightness so you can see around here. So this is what it looks like. So it's like a broken puzzle almost. It's a very, very strange the way it looks, but it's very, very interesting what could have formed this. There's loads of theories, I believe, but yeah, Miranda is a very interesting little moon. So yeah, there's little Miranda there. It's very small as well. I believe that's a little bigger than Mimas, and that Mimas pretty much is, for me, Mimas is the gap between a minor moon and a asteroid, because it's very, very small, but it's still a sphere shape. So yeah, pretty interesting stuff. Okay, next up we've got Neptune. It's the furthest moon out from Neptune. We'll have to check Jupiter as well, see if there's any further moons than Callisto. So here's Neptune. Okay. Oh wow, Neptune is missing a lot of moons. See, it says it has 13. I only see 3 here, and I believe this is Nereid. This one here. Yeah, what is the moon around Neptune right now? Let's see if we can spot it. There, is it there? Okay, it is Nereid. Okay. Or Nereid, or how you say it. This is, I believe there's a theory with this moon and Triton about how they could have interacted with each other. But yeah, this is definitely not the furthest moon. I know that for a fact. I'm sure it isn't. But here's Nereid, and there's good old Neptune from Nereid. So let's speed this up, get a look from the front. And this has a very weird orbit as well. But yeah, there is, actually, where is it? Where's our beautiful Neptune at? Neptune, where you at, buddy? Oh, where's Neptune at? Neptune? Where'd he go? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so we're sort of on the wrong side, so let's land here. Okay, let's look up and then turn around. So it should be... There it is. There's our beautiful Neptune. And there's Triton as well. So, yeah, Neptune is missing a lot of moons. Is there any setting I can use to turn the moons on, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, let me know in the comments if there's a setting I need to switch on to visit these other objects. But yeah, there's a lot of objects missing, it seems like, so far. So it kind of sucks, but oh well. That isn't too bad. And then, yeah, let's go and visit Jupiter as well. So yeah, this I'm sure is definitely not the furthest moon from Neptune. So yeah, there it is. That, and it's a very strange orbit, as you can see. Very, very inclined. Or eccentric orbit, I should say, I believe. So, okay, Jupiter's this one, isn't it? No, that's Ceres. Okay, Jupiter is there. Okay, so cold gas giant. 63 moons. There. Wait, is it literally just the major moons? Io, that's Io. Yeah, Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto. Anything else other than Callisto? Yeah, see, there's loads of moons missing here. It's like, there must be a setting I can switch on. Like, there has to be. Okay, so here's Callisto. Looking a lot better than it does in Universe Sandbox, if I might add. The Universe Sandbox one is grey, but this is what it should look like. More of a brownish, cratered colour, almost. Like, yeah, this is definitely a better representation in Universe Sandbox, I have to say. And not really much of a surface texture on here as well. So there's good old Jupiter from Callisto. So yeah, oh god, but yeah, there's Jupiter there. So let's pause it. Let's, try and get the right way. So there it is there. Let's turn off all the orbits, and yeah, there you go. So there's shooting. See the other Galileo moons. We've got Europa and Io. Ganymede is nowhere to be seen right now. It's probably on the other side of Jupiter, or it's somewhere where we can't see. So pretty cool indeed. Okay, so let's go to Io. I want to see what Io looks like. I've not visited Io yet, so Io, let's go to you, buddy. Okay, this one's cool. It's one of the only yellow moon in the solar system. Ooh, it's even glowing with the volcanic activity. Very nice. Yeah, the most volcanically active object in the solar system as well. Let's put it back to the normal settings. I think it's number 1, but oh yeah, the reason Io is lit up is because the light reflection off Jupiter is reflecting onto Io. That's why Io is a little light on the night time. Now that, can we land there? Can we anything? So, ooh, okay. I want to check this out quick. This does look pretty interesting. So, can I get the right way up? Okay. Oh no, I forgot the controls. There was a way you could balance out. How do you do it? I know, Q and E. There we go. So that's put us the right way. So, oh, look at this! Wow, we've got some volcanic lava going down. That looks awesome. Look at that. I wish Venus had something like this. This looks really cool. So there it is there. Now Jupiter will be huge in the sky. Yeah, there it is there. Reflecting its own light back onto Io. Oh, very cool indeed. Look at that. That is cool. Seeing that volcano like that. Yeah, that looks awesome. So there's Io. Let's go. Let's look at Europa as well. That's Ganymede. Europa is there. So where are we going? Why are we all over here? Hold G. I pressed the wrong button. So there we go. So here's Europa. Ooh, very, very bright here, I have to say. So here's Io. Well, not Io, Europa, sorry. So, oh, there we go. You can get all the cracks on the surface. Have they got any detail? Oh my god. Whoa! Okay, is this correct? I'm pretty sure Europa, sorry, is quite flat. Is it meant to be this, like, this amount of hills? Oh no, that's the cracks in the surface, actually. Okay, that's pretty cool, actually. There's a shot of Jupiter as well. Very nice shot indeed. So there's Europa. Let's might as well check Ganymede out while we're here. So oh god, oh my god, this velocity control is so weird. So Ganymede is that one. Okay, so largest moon in the solar system, bigger than the planet Mercury by about 100-200 kilometers. But yeah, there is Ganymede. So pretty cool. It's not the most interesting of moons, I have to say, even though it is the largest, because it's mainly just a piece of rock. But there could be water frozen below the surface. We never know. Well, we don't know right now, but I believe there is some sort of possible water here, which is quite cool. Now that is a cool shot of Jupiter there. Look at that. Wow, that does look pretty sweet. So yeah, there is Jupiter there. So pretty nice. That's obviously Ganymede. Okay, let's see what else you guys said. I hope I'm not missing any comments here. I believe someone wanted to go to Kepler 12b as well. I can't find the comment though. I'm pretty sure someone did say it though. So I'm looking for the comment. I can't remember if it was Kepler 12b or Kepler 17b, so we might as well check out both. So let's go to them. So these used to be the largest exoplanets before HD 100-546b, before this planet was found. And I definitely know I've not typed that incorrectly. But this one here, we visited it in episode 1 of Space Engine as well. Let's see if we can quickly just go to it. So HD, yeah, here it 100-546b. So space, come on, there you go. So this planet here, this is the largest exoplanet discovered to my knowledge. So here is here, we visited this in episode 1. This is probably one of the coolest looking planets we've seen so far. I mean, just look at that blue, violet, indigo colour. It just looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's the largest exoplanet right now. But Kepler 12b, so let me just Kepler 12 dash, oh no, Kepler dash 12. I've got to type all this in. It's annoying I can't use the mouse. So Kepler dash 12 and then B. So this one here. So let's go to this. I can select it. So go to. So this used to be the largest exoplanet ever found. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, very close to the star as well. This is like a hot Jupiter. So here it is here. And it looks quite similar to the darkest planet, Trace 2b. It looks quite similar in colour to that. But yeah, here it is here. So yeah, this is very large in diameter as well. Discovered in 2011. So yeah, there's obviously the star. So there we go. 690 degrees, so it is quite hot here. So yeah, there's Kepler 12b. Now let's go to Kepler 17b. So both of these were the largest exoplanets at one point, but they obviously got replaced. I can't remember which one's bigger. I don't know if Kepler 17b is bigger or Kepler 12b is. If I have them both in Universe Sandbox as custom objects, so I can always check that. But yeah, I can't remember off the top of my head which one is bigger. But yeah, this one definitely looks a lot prettier than the other one. The largest exoplanet right now, HD 100. That's still the coolest looking one. But yeah, this looks a lot nicer than the other one. So this one's at 900 degrees. So this is a lot hotter than the previous one. So they're very close to its star as well. A hot Jupiter, scorched gas giant. Also found in 2011. But yeah, there we go. So that is that. But yeah, there we go, guys. So that will do it for today's episode of Space Engine. So hopefully you all enjoyed, and make sure you did hit that like button, subscribe for more, helps the journey to 4,000 subscribers, because that would be absolutely amazing. And a little update. Like I said in yesterday's video, I am planning to do, I think it was yesterday's video, I am doing a documentary, or I'm doing like a little documentary for a college project I have to do. Now that view does look pretty cool. But I'm doing a little documentary for my college project. Now it's going to be on something to do with astronomy, so yeah, I've already started editing it, and I've already filmed all my audio recordings for it and stuff, so stay tuned for that, because right now I don't know if I want to release it straight away or I should wait for 4,000 subscribers. But let me know, should I release it as soon as I finished it, or should I wait till 4,000 subscribers and have it as a 4,000 sub special? Let me know down below, because I'm interested to hear your thoughts. When should I release this thing? But yeah, that is pretty much everything, guys. So yeah, this view does look pretty cool. Look at that. Yeah, there we go. So that is everything. I may actually use that as a thumbnail. Like, that does look really cool. So look at that. Wow. Okay, now it definitely looks better somewhere here. Like that does look pretty cool. But yeah, that is everything, guys. So like I said, make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more. Let me know about what you think on that documentary I'm making. And yeah, make sure you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.